All right, today we're going to talk about how to recover email. Basically, Office 365 allows you to recover lost emails. And we're going to show you how to do it. Well, who's we? Just me. But there's definitely a lot more. That's probably what it is. There's just a lot more on this list. So I got confused. Anyways, let's just check it out. I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm not going to do a second take on this. Not at all. Before we begin, please take a moment to say hi, hello, or present. It's sort of like a roll call in the class. That way I know you're present and you're interested in this type of content in the comments below. Thank you so much, and let's get back to the video. Welcome to my channel. My name is Irvin, also known as cobuman. This is actually my second channel. All right, let's talk about these lost emails. So, in Microsoft Admin Center, open up Exchange because we know that Exchange is the place where emails come from, where you can send and receive emails. No, that's not it. Microsoft Exchange does handle your emails, but it's a place where you would normally create emails, mailboxes, and this and that. So sometimes users would report missing email, the user that whether the user hasn't received an email or whether their email hasn't gone through and the customer hasn't received it. So in this case, we're going to pretend that username SallyMo has sent an email, but it didn't go through. So we're going to see what happened there. So here we are in Exchange Admin Center. What we want to look for is mail flow, because when the mail is flowing, you got to know whether it's flowing backwards or forwards. This is how we're going to talk about this. All right. Now let's see which way this email is flowing. The one she said she just sent an email, it didn't go through. So we're going to do mail flow, and then we're going to select message trace. All right. And here we're going to trace a message, and in this case we're going to click where it says start a trace. And who is sender here? I think we said it was Sally. So we're going to look for Sally. There she is. There she is. And then she said, because I talked to her, she said it happened like literally like moments ago. So we're going to narrow this down to within. Now, why is this not? It doesn't matter. We're going to leave it here for the past 2 days. If anything happened within the past 2 days, we're going to see it. I don't like the way this thing moves. You see that? That's one thing I don't like about this message trace here. It's kind of awkward to adjust these time frames. Anyways, we know it happened recently. So we're going to leave it here at 6 hours. All right. So, and then recipients, we're just going to leave it at this. See if anything comes up without specifying a recipient. So we're going to click search. Oh, look at this. Oh, we found something. Sure enough, she sent it just moments ago from Sally to recipient, which is at Yahoo. And the status is failed. Well, let's see what happens. It's doing a diagnostic. It's doing a diagnostic. All right. All right. So it says it's received and it said it's processed, but it did not deliver. So here's a confusing thing. This recipient is obviously a fake email. Now, it's very confusing that it says received, processed, and not delivered. It's talking about specifically for Sally, sender, but it doesn't make any sense because she's the one sending the email. And for it to say completed, as in like received, and green doesn't make any sense whatsoever. It says processed. Okay, well, that's fine. We sent an email, but it did not deliver. Because here's the error. Your message cannot be delivered. The mailbox is disabled. Oh, look at this. So the sender's or recipient's email is disabled. Huh. How about that? That is weird. I guess somebody did create a Yahoo email. I just picked a random Yahoo email. Anyways, this is how you trace and find these lost emails. And in this case, we found what she was sending. Let's go back a little bit just to see what other options we have, because I don't want to just leave it at this. This is definitely the place where you would do it, but let's see what else we can find. All right, I'm just going to do another message trace. Again, it's mail flow, message trace, and then you do a message trace. And here, there are you can select to see if she sent any emails to other recipients. So let's go ahead and change this. Let's expand this. If I go further than 7 days, I won't be able to get an instant report. It would have to be a CSV file, which is basically an Excel spreadsheet, if you will. And then you would download that, and then you would go through it to find any of these, But if you want an instant result here, you have to make sure it's no more than 7 days, within 7 days. But if you want it up to 90 days, then you will have to download a big file that you have to search through. Let's see if she sent any emails to somebody else. So we can add the recipient. Let's see if she sent any emails to Irvin. Let's see if we can add more to, I don't know, we have Bob. So you can see you can add multiple recipients. Let's see if we can do a finance group, like literal distribution group. Remember we talked about this in the previous video. So, there are going to be more of these videos. I have a big list. So make sure you subscribe because I have more coming. And what other distros do we have? Let's just leave it at that. Who else? Yeah, is Mike in there? Mike Moser. All right. Let's see if she sent any emails to these people. So she didn't send any emails to these people. Not within the last 7 days. Let's see 90 days. All right. We're going to prepare a big report within 90 days. And now we're going to have to download it. It says here you can check progress at any time from downloadable reports section on the message trace report. So we're going to look for these downloadable reports section in the message trace. All right, let me just refresh this. Here we go, message trace, downloadable reports. Aha, here it is. All right, so we're going to download this. This is the trace that we performed. If you click on it, that's just what it happens. And it hasn't started downloading, so that's unfortunate. One thing to keep in mind here is that I guess it takes a long time. If you want a long, wide report, it's going to take a while before it actually does it. Let's see, is it going to start anytime soon? Downloadable reports, not started. So I don't know actually how long it takes for it to start. It looks like it was a start date. Oh, okay. All right. Well, this is what happens when you try to do a wide trace, and you have to wait. You have to wait. I don't know how long it is, but you have to wait. Maybe 24 hours. But then again, if you're doing this type of report, then I'm sure it'll be okay for somebody to expect you to take some time, which is okay. All right. Let's see what else. Sally, has she sent any emails to... Well, you know what? Let's just make her a recipient this time. Sally Mo. See if she received any emails. See if she received and not sent any emails recently. And there it is. So she did receive a notification here for undeliverable lost email. Remember, that's what we traced first. And here it is. She received, that message was not received in her mailbox. Let's see if she actually did. There it is. Message from the message center. No, it's not. Inbox. Well, where is it at? Oh, look at this. And I know I just sent it. Inbox. Where did it go? Where did it go? Look at this. There it is. I had to refresh. And she did receive it. Here you go. We could not send your message. Look at this. Would you look at that? Well, look at this. Policy violation or system error. Okay. That's what she gets whenever she failed on that. But we do see she received other emails. Mostly from the Office 365. These are just update messages and stuff like that. That's because this is a fictional person and she doesn't actually, have a working account. Like you see, this is what she received. All of this automatic emails from Office 365. Because I make Office 365 videos and I had to create a bunch of different fictitious users. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this, please leave a like, leave any comment. I really appreciate that as well. I'll see you next time, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel because it's brand new, and my main channel is just youtube.com/cobuman. This is cobuman IT. It's so new. Tech tips, cobuman tech tips, that's what it is. It's so new that I almost forgot the name of it. Anyways, I hope you have a wonderful day and take care. Bye bye.